Hello, let's see how to use different type of numbers in same Word document. Let's create blank document, and here I want to create 3 pages. Insert, blank page, and another one blank page. Okay, now we have 3 pages. I want to insert page numbers to this page as Roman numbers like I, and I. To do that, I am going to insert and page number, click page number, and we can select the position to our page number, and you have to click format. Now I want to select Roman type of numbers. To do that, in this number format area, select this one that we call as Roman numbers. Okay, now click OK and again OK. Now we have these numbers. See, now I want to create a new page and start from 1 and 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Now in this last page I'm going to insert page break. Okay, now we get a new page as IV, and in this layout area, in this breaks, I have to click this next page. Click it. Okay, now you have to select insert and page number. Now format page numbers. You have to select 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, we got some issue here. Start from 4. To fix that, I'm going to click again page number, format page numbers. Okay, now we have to start at 1. Alright, now we can create a new page, blank page, blank page. First we can see number from Roman numbers, and this is our numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's see another example. Blank page. Now I want ABCD numbers. To do that, first I'm going to create a page break, and now we have to click layout, breaks, next page. Okay, now insert page number, format page numbers, number format as I'm going to select ABC, and start at A. Okay, remember to click start at, not continue from previous section. Click start at. Okay, now we get A, and let's see at another page, blank page and blank page, ABC. Okay, this is our document, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.